Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. In this video, we'll look at how to pronounce forward and forwarded. So these words start with first syllable stress. So forward and forwarded have the word for in the start, and letters OR do say the OR sound here, forward. And then letters WAR say, in words like war, they say the OR sound as well. In the word forward, they have the sound. So it's like the word word, which sometimes people are confused by because of the letters OR. You might want to check out my video for what happens to R after W. So we have word, ward, worm, warm, etc. I have a lot of details on that. It's a little bit tricky. I like rewriting forward, or this word word, with the word were plus a D. That has the sound, or here I've just written it W-E-R-D, just so that you can know that it has the sound rather than an R or an or that you might expect. So again, forward. Then when we add the ed to make it forwarded, we just add an I and a D sound, forwarded. In that case, you can think about it like forwarded. That might be more useful, forwarded. Once you can say forward and forwarded by themselves, try practicing them in some short phrases. I'll forward you that email. I forwarded it yesterday. He forwarded the email to me, etc. Also, just note that there are some native speakers who will say this more as forward with just an O sound rather than an or. He's very forward thinking. I tend to use the or forward, and of course we have to spell it with that first R, but as you're listening to native speakers, you may notice that sometimes they leave out that first R sound, and it is an acceptable pronunciation according to Merriam-Webster's dictionary. So that is also okay. If it's challenging for you to put that first R in, you can say forward instead of forward. Thank you for this request. If you have a request you'd like to see me cover on the Word of the Day series, feel free to leave that in the comments for this video or any of my videos. As I mentioned before, you may want to get more help for the W and R sounds in our video for that, as well as in our Sounds of English course. I'll walk you through all of the sounds of English, how they're spelled, what accent patterns to watch out for, and help you build a strong foundation to pronounce any word you like confidently and easily in American English. That's our Sounds of English course on speechmodification.com. Thanks so much for watching this video, for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. All of those things are really helping the channel to grow, and I truly appreciate your support. I'll be back tomorrow with another Word of the Day, and on Saturday we'll have our live question and answer class. I hope to see you there. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye everyone. Hope to see you again soon.